Welcome back everyone. Today in the second video of this series, I will show you how to install the latest version of Python and PyCharm in your PC. Before moving ahead, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Let's begin. Open any web browser, let's say Edge, and search download Python like this. You will get the search results. You have to click on the download Python option given by python.org. That is the official download by python.organization. You will click on it and it will redirect you to the python.org/downloads. Now you can download the latest version of Python for Windows. Till it is downloading, we will head towards downloading PyCharm. That is the IDE, Integrated Development Environment for Python. Search in a new tab, download PyCharm. Click on the link provided by JetBrains, that is the official provider of PyCharm. And here you can see two options available, professional and community. We will go for community version as we are here only for pure Python development. Click on download on community version. The download should start as soon as you click on it. See, download is started. It is about 371 MB. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. We will till install our Python. Make sure you listen and see very carefully as the steps are very important now. You have to check add Python 3.92 path and hit for customize installation. Make sure you check all the buttons like here and click on next. Install for all users like here and make sure it is installed in your C drive and in program files like this and hit the install button. So Python installation setup is successful and we will close and we will check the version of the Python installed. Right click on the start menu and hit Windows PowerShell admin. Click on the yes. Here we will type Python. This is a command console of your computer. You can also use CMD, but I prefer using Windows PowerShell as it is more convenient and easy to see. Here you can see our Python 3.9.6 is verified and we have installed it. I will exit from here now. I will show you one more thing. Just write pip and hit enter. These are the commands of installation and health will be used in the Python in further videos. This is not related to the installation. And we will see our downloads. Our PyCharm is installed and we will click on it. Yes, now here PyCharm Community Edition setup. Click next to continue. The installation of PyCharm is very easy and it requires only 1 GB of the space in your hard drive. Make sure it is available. Click on the next. Create a desktop icon. Next. Install. Community edition setup is completed and click on run PyCharm community and finish. Do not import settings. Okay. This is the IDE, Integrated Development Environment, in which we will use the Python. I will show you how Python looks like without this IDE. See, this is the Python, real Python without this IDE, and with this IDE you can see the difference between them. Let's name it Python demo 1. check the radio button previously configured interpreter. Now see, select the interpreter from these three: system interpreter, python.exe. It will be pre-selected and we downloaded it the Python in Python 39, and then python.exe. Hit on OK button and click create. These are the tips which the JetBrains give you every day. That is tip of the day. You can close it. Of how to install Python and PyCharm in your PC and run them.